Na Chionkoroki Glory Mwendwa uria ni musiasa mwanake mono kuma Meru ni arombete Eric Mugaa uria utari kujukia giti kia minista wa Roje gutigira ati kuringa nthenduki mbithi atonya gitini kiu Mwendwa ugite gwa ka ni kagita gakega mono kakuonia ati kinya antu baba anake no batongerie ngaukano na bura bamwe bathuganagia.
But antu babithe twina ideas, twina potential nyingi mono, so it towards the Meru government and everybody in Meru County bugitane ku give us a chance to prove that as the agencies that we are capable no tikio agencies nyabongo batiumba puto tikane ku tura batu tu leaders barojo bugitane kumya tu leaders banande neto batine ku to opportunities to prove that we can make it. Most of us tugitane ku involved kid drugs na mantrata tubaterano tubakwithira the government and the people of Kenya patikitane ku where the young people chances, so ito kwanza bugitane go to chances tego takatane ko prove as the young people we can do good things na ito kurenya the president we are very grateful ito komuri bagana tubakona era ito go to tara agencies to komuri to kwenda kuewa chances in the government agitane go tara Eric Muredi aki minister of water ito komuri thank you monono ito komu chokera nkatho no kuona agency is ordered to become a CS na ito koromba Eric Lidoka getane ku vetted as a CS of water, ugetane ku prove that the agencies can have great ideas and they are great people who can bring a change and they have potential. Ugetane ku prove that batwe nitombaga kila mtu wonde in Kenya akethera gutegete ugo ugetane ku prove that mtu mwithe no ombe na ndi ugo ukagetane ku kuona na kwethera agencies no tumbe kana ura tukuga tutumba ni kuthithia